In the name of God, the gracious, the merciful. O people, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, that you may attain piety. He who made the earth a habitat for you, and the sky a structure, and sends water down from the sky, and brings out fruits thereby as a sustenance for you. Therefore, do not assign rivals to God while you know. And if you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our servant, then produce a chapter like these and call your witnesses apart from God, if you are truthful. But if you do not, and you will not, then beware the fire whose fuel is people and stones, prepared for the disbelievers. And give good news to those who believe and do righteous deeds, that they will have gardens beneath which rivers flow, whenever they are provided with fruit therefrom as sustenance. They will say, "This is what we were provided with before," and they will be given the like of it. And they will have pure spouses therein, and they will abide therein forever.